Hello everybody, it's me Abdus Salam in front of you. Hope you all are fit and fine. I'm also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. So dear lovely friends, today I have come here at this moment. I want to talk about this location. Hello dear friends, actually this location name is Dudnath Hill. Actually it's a big hill, and I have come here and with my three friends, and also my friends come here, and so dear friends, as we can see in our behind side one, this is the temple. Actually it's a Dudnath temple, and right now I am standing top of the hill. Actually behind side it's a river, it's a Brahmaputra river. It's called, Bangladesh name is Padma river. It's a big river, and as we can see in our behind side, so many workers working in your field, and one this is the river. Actually bathing so many men and women, and I am ascending the hill. Actually I am going to the hill. Actually so dear friends, as we can see, my behind my back camera often this background scenery. So dear friend, it's a big stone. Actually big stone, and as we can see friends, you can see sun almost set at this moment. Dear friends, you can see right now I am top of the hill standing here, and downside my three friends, and they are walking on the road, and right now I am here, and as we can see, this is the temple. This is the temple, and dear friends, this is the river. Actually a big river, and on the river bank, on the river, actually so many villages. There are so many villages, and living on the river side. Actually this river name is Brahmaputra river. So dear friends, and today I am here. So as you can see, so many type of trees, this hill, and this hill, so many peoples come here because this temple visited. So many peoples come here, and I also visited this place. Like this place, actually very amazing place, and I come here after come here, and my mind blowing and mind fresh, because that is the Ramadan month going on. That's why I visited this location, because Ramadan month, it's a very essential month for a Muslim community. So that's why evening time I visited with my friends this temple. So they are lovely friends, and right now I am going to on the road, and my bike, and so thank you today this video. Bye bye.